A free fridge is available, but there's a catch. A poster went up around London advertising that the kitchen appliance was in working condition, but buyers might want to be careful, according to South West News Service. The ad claimed, "My stepmother had a heart attack on our kitchen floor in the middle of an electrical storm, and her soul was transferred into the computer unit of our smart fridge." This is when the classic motherly judgment began. She has been subtly undermining me ever since, commenting on how many slices of cheese I've eaten, or whether I've properly put the lid back on something, the chilling ad continued. The owner held out for a while and then decided that they had had enough, according to SWNS. "I'm starting to feel it is completely unreasonable that she's decided to live in our fridge, judging me on my culinary decisions," according to the ad. "She has to go." The advertisement professes that the current owners are optimistic that their stepmother probably won't go after the next owner, and it's a great appliance if soul haunting is your thing. Aside from the soul within, the fridge itself is in complete working order, and I'm sure the unit would be far more agreeably housed with someone who hadn't forced their perfect child into a life of mediocre servitude, they wrote. It appears the owner is so desperate to get rid of the refrigerator. The ad claims that it is free to collect and interested parties can call the phone number listed at the bottom. According to SWNS, it isn't actually the owner's phone number at all and belongs to a kitchen showroom instead. Employees there have reported receiving maybe 100 calls asking about the cursed fridge. Some Twitter users are thinking the entire thing is a prank, with one saying, "Interesting use of the word stepmother for what is clearly this person's mother-in-law."